Hey there, I'm Mariana and welcome to Creation Odyssey. So I have to say this, I'm going to start off with this. Before I bring this Nendo out, guys, I know nothing about this series. I don't usually do this. Usually I have to have a connection and know what's going on and feel for the characters or something, right? But this guy right here, I know nothing about. Other than that, he is really stinking cute. That's it. That's why I bought him, because he's cute. He's got some wonderful faceplates. I have some big ideas for him, so keep that in mind. He will be appearing in lots of photos in the future. But yeah, so I have actually tried to watch the Fate series. I don't even know how many times. Fate Zero, I've tried to watch at least 3 times. I barely get past episode 3. Fate Stay Night, I've watched up to episode 5, I think. Yeah, episode 5. Can't watch it, can't get past it. I don't know why. I don't. It's not my cup of tea, not my thing. So I don't know what Fate series he's from. I think it says Fate Grand Order on there. I don't know where that lies in the Fate universe. Nothing. I know nothing about him. I was actually slightly confused because in the previous series, Saber / Arthur was a girl, which I thought was a really fun twist, but for some reason he's a boy now. I don't know. But yeah, so I got him. I think he's so stinking cute, guys. Like, let's just, do you see this faceplate? Look at that. That is the most adorable expression. And then there's this one with the wink. Like, so cute. I had to have him. That's all I gotta say. I have no other reason to have bought this Nendo. So this is the Saber Arthur Pendragon prototype. I don't know what that means. Custom costume dress white rose version. Wow, say that 10 times fast. Blah. Anyway, so he's a special one. I actually already have the other version of him. Boom. See, got him. Look, he's blushing too, but not as cute as the other blushing face, but still got him for the blushing face as well. Again, know nothing about the series. Judge if you must. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open him up, see what he's like on the inside, and yeah. So he was a limited edition, something you could only get through like Good Smile Company a while back. So you're not gonna find him on any like websites necessarily. I got him from Nendo Games. I think that's what it's called. I found him through, I'm on a different Facebook group and I was looking for him and I was hoping somebody would be able to go to Anime Expo to grab him for me. But somebody was like, oh, here, he's at this website. So I got him via the website instead. So I will link where I got him below if you are interested in him and desperately need him the way I did. All right, so I mean, you know, the regular faceplate is a regular faceplate. I still think he's really cute. Very distinguished. Get this plastic off. So what I am going to do with him, though, is I do have the Emily Nendoroid, and I did not get the Rio Nendoroid because I just didn't have a connection with him. I don't really like his faceplate. And since they don't come with multiple faceplates, I was like, meh, don't want him. So this guy, I am going to, I don't know, in photos, set him up on a date with our lady, with my Emily Nendoroid. So there he is. He's got this nice white little tux and everything. I am changing all my Nendos to Nendo dolls, so I won't be keeping this, but I will definitely want to try to recreate this in an outfit. He's got this sword, the rose, look at that. Okay, and the whole reason that I bought him this faceplate right here. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? She's so shocked. And then I like this one too. This one's just like a little cocky. I like these two faceplates because they're such polar opposites from each other. Like this one's very like confident and like, hey, and then this one's like, oh, she likes me. So got both of those. He comes with some roses, a little pack of roses. I think they fit into one of his hands. Oh, look, right there. There we go. That's how that fits. All right, so let's get him all posed up and chat. All right, I've got him in his most handsome pose, I think. Little wink, hand out, rose. Isn't he? He's cute. He's super cute. But yeah, so like I said, I don't know anything about the Fate series. You guys can totally yell at me in the comments. I get it. It's a great series and everybody loves it and I need to get on board. There's so many good anime and so little time though, guys. So little time. I will get to it eventually. And I'm sure once I do get to it that I'll want all of the Fate Nendoroids. But for right now, it's just him. That's it for this unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and comment down below what you think of the White Rose version of the Saber Arthur Pendragon prototype. And if you're new to my unboxings and you're popping around and you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get notifications of when new videos are posted. Till next time.